Alright, I'll try to keep this short and sweet. Basically, I finally, over Christmas, went to visit family. Uh, so I took my rebuilt Blackmagic Pocket 6K camera with me. That's the cinema camera that I fully tore down and rebuilt basically as far as you possibly can. And it seemed like a good chance to get some test footage with it, and I'm pretty happy with it. There are some shots in there that I really like, and then some of it's kind of just like, whatever, but it's 800 and some gigabytes of footage, all, trimmed down to like 5 minutes, so not a hugely great return for investment, but, yeah, I don't know. And I'm quite liking, with raw footage, how much you can, like, push it and make it look like it was all one day, and maybe make things look like they happen at a different time of day. I'm quite liking that. So, yeah, hopefully the footage is nice. Shot on the Pocket 6K with that Sabrent Rocket NVMe 2TB SSD that worked great. Sigma 18-35, variable ND filter, a Tilt-A-Mini matte box. And not much else to say other than that. The music's probably copyrighted, but, I won't get my $2 of ad revenue for 2 years of having the video posted. Oh no. It's not a big deal. I really liked it. I heard it on a James Hoffman video, and I had like the idea sort of plotted out of like this style of video to use it in. So worth not getting any ad revenue on. I think it works pretty decently. So enjoy, hopefully.